Welcome to Neuroctius. Most people think any Patek Philippe is a good investment. They're wrong. In 2026, only a handful will actually protect your money and grow it. Here are the 10 that matter. Nautilus 5711/1A-010. The most recognizable luxury sports watch in the world. Patek discontinued it in 2021, and that changed everything. Retail was $34,000. Today, it trades between $150,000 and $200,000. In 2026, expect prices to hold strong as supply shrinks. This isn't just a watch, it's a blue-chip asset in steel. Aquanaut 5167/1A-001. Patek's younger sports watch. Retail is $21,000. Secondary market sits between $45,000 and $65,000. Demand is high, supply is low. In 2026, expect strength as buyers realize steel sports watches aren't coming back in volume. Aquanaut Travel Time 5164A001. The Aquanaut with dual time zone. Retail is $43,000. Market prices range from $75,000 to $100,000. Practical and sporty. For 2026, this holds appeal as collectors prioritize function. Grandmaster Chime 6300G-010. The most complicated wristwatch Patek makes. 20 complications. Retail is $2.5 million. At auction, these have sold for over $30 million. In 2026, this remains one of the most prestigious pieces in the watch world. Perpetual Calendar Chronograph 5270P001. Platinum Perpetual Calendar Chronograph. Retail is $180,000. Market prices run $200,000 to $250,000. Classic design meets serious horology. For 2026, this attracts collectors who value craftsmanship over hype. Split Seconds Perpetual Calendar 5204/1R-001. Rose Gold with Split Seconds Chronograph and Perpetual Calendar. Retail is $320,000. Market prices reach $400,000 or more. One of Patek's most complex wearable watches, for serious collectors only. Vintage Perpetual Calendar Chronograph 1518. The world's first serially produced perpetual calendar chronograph. Historically significant and extremely rare. Has sold for over $11 million at auction. When you own a piece of history, value grows. The 1518 is proof. Nautilus 5712/1A-001. The Nautilus with moon phase, power reserve, and date. Retail is around $54,000. Market prices hit $120,000 to $150,000. For 2026, this stays desirable as buyers seek Nautilus alternatives. If the 5711 is out of reach, the 5712 gives you complexity without compromise. Nautilus 5980/1A-001. The Nautilus Chronograph. Bigger and bolder. Retail was $59,000. Market prices run $130,000 to $170,000. Expect steady interest in 2026. Chronographs hold value when they're scarce and from the right brand. Nautilus 5740/1G-001. White gold Nautilus with perpetual calendar. Retail is $115,000. Market prices range from $160,000 to $200,000. This crossover piece combines sport and haute horology. If you want a Nautilus that stands out, this is it. 10 Patek Philippe watches that matter for 2026. They hold value because they're rare, well-made, and respected. Focus on scarcity, heritage, and demand. Which would you buy first and why? Drop your answer in the comments. If this helped, consider subscribing for more luxury watch insights.